So first of all, knapsack problem. You know what is knapsack problem basically, right? So it has n equals to 5, n equals to 23. N is basically the number of counts, that is number of nodes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And P, what is P? Profit, that is 38, 31, 25, 23, 18. For 0 knapsack of branch and bound, it is given in positive. This all profits are given in positive, and we need to convert it to negative. That is, we need to apply this sign minus 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 to it to solve the problem. And whereas for weight, it is the same. We don't need to convert it to negative. It is like 8, 7, 6, 6, 5. Okay, that we understood. And first of all, that is there are three ways to solve 0 1 knapsack problem in backtracking, that is Fifo, lifo and LC. So first off, Fifo. What is Fifo? Fifo has C cap and U cap. What is C cap? C cap is basically how you solve 0 1 knapsack problem. Like first we add the weights 0, 8 plus 7 plus 6, that will be approximately 21. So, and after adding 6, how much will we get? 27 something, right? So 27. And how much is the m? M equals to 23. So first off we got 21. How much we need to complete our m? That will be basically 23 minus 21. So how much it is? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we need 2 out of 6. How do we get it? That is 2 out of 6, that is 2 divided by 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. By converting it to a decimal, we get something 0.33. Just notice all the things, okay? Like I will be drawing here and there, but don't get lost in this. Just I am telling you, for explaining you, I am writing here and there, okay? So first off, these are the how much we need, that is 2 out of 6. So we solve and get this fraction. After getting this fraction, what we do is basically we multiply it by 1. So below this it is 1 1 1. For this, how much we needed? 1 by 3. So that is 0.33. So we multiply this 1 by 38. So 38 plus, then we got 31. So 31 plus, then we got 25, that is 25 plus. After this, we need to calculate this, that is 1 by 3, that is we need 2 out of 6, right? So 2 out of 6, how will we get? By multiplying this. 2 out of 6 is how much it is? 2 out of 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is 0.33. So 0.33 multiplied by 23. So 0.33 multiplied by 23. This is how we get C cap of 1, that is this, and that will be 101.67. I have written here 67. It is, I think, 59. You can check and verify. It is 59, I think. I have done mistake here. It is not 67, it is 59. And as for this is C cap, and then we got U cap. What is U cap? U cap is basically all these numbers 38, 31, 25, avoiding this fraction part, that is 0.3 into 23, that is avoided. Okay, so 38 plus 31 plus 25, this is U cap of 1. U cap of 1 is how much it is? 94. So we expand in Fifo, we expand on both the sides, that is 2 and 3, and after expanding we check it, like which node is getting killed or which is not. So after we do this 1 and 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 we got 4 and 5. Then with 4 and 5, how do we get, that is how do we get x1, how do we get 2 and 3 is basically there is written x1 equals to 1. X1 equals to 1 meaning these are all x's. This written these are all x's. So what basically we have written here 1 1 1 0.33, that is basically 0 all the x's. So first of all we got x1 equals to 1. X1 equals to 1, that is the meaning we consider 8. Then 8, then x2 equals to 1 meaning we consider 7. Then x3 equals to 1 meaning we consider 6. And x4 equals to 1, that is meaning we consider 6 again. So how much it will be? Something 27. So basically this is all the x1, x2, x2, x3, that is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So this order, this x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1 basically shows all these numbers. Okay, and x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 0. So meaning we are considering x1 8, but on the other side, on the right hand side, we are not considering x1. That is, in this case, in this whole case, we take 8, but in this we don't take it. And x2 equals to 1. x2 equals to 1 meaning we take 8, we also take 7. That is 8 plus 7. Whereas x2 equals to 0 meaning we take 8, but we don't take 7. That is 8 plus 0. Got it? Then we go towards the down, that is x3 equals to 1, x3 equals to 0. So basically we are taking 8 plus 7 plus 6, but here we are taking 8 plus 7 plus 0. Got it? And on the other hand, here 8 plus 0 plus 6 meaning x1 equals to 1, that is 8, x2 equals to 0 meaning 7, we have not taken it. Then x3 equals to 1, that is x3 equals to 1, that is 6, we are taking here. So it is 8 plus 0 plus 6, and here it is 8 plus 0 plus 0 on this node. Okay, got it? So basically you have learned all the solving of FIFO. So FIFO is basically we create nodes, two nodes. Binary tree has two nodes, 1 and 2, and after creating it we expand towards the left and right. So we expanded towards the left 4 5, and then we check this, why is this getting killed here, like why it is not expanding. So basically why it is not expanding is because of something called as upper. Upper is basically we get it from the first node. The first node u cap is upper. Upper equals to 94. So basically upper is 94, and the condition to kill a node is C cap of that node, that is x is greater than upper. Okay, so C cap of x, what is C cap of x is minus 93.4, and what is upper is 94. So C cap is greater, that is minus 93.4 is greater than upper, therefore we kill this node. To kill this node, this condition need to be checked. Okay, and after solving all of this, you will reach here like this situation. I'll tell x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1, x3 equals to 1, x4 equals to 1. So basically 8 plus 7 plus 6, that is 21, and then plus 6, that is 27, and it is exceeding our m equals to 23, so we can't take it. So therefore it is infeasible. Okay, got it? Like it is 27, therefore it is infeasible, like it is exceeding m equals to 23, therefore it is exceeding, therefore we say it infeasible. And another condition is there, that is changing of upper. How is upper changed? Upper change is basically here, like I don't find okay, here, sorry, not here, upper. So basically in this upper has not changed, but upper to change an upper condition, like our node is there, suppose our upper is 94, okay, 94 minus 94 minus 94, and upper u cap of that node, this is x node. In this any of this node can be x node, okay. In this is a x node, and this x node has a upper value of upper of x equals to, suppose this is minus 94, so this may be suppose minus 95, and c cap is, suppose c cap of x equals to, suppose 101 minus 101.5, okay. So 101.5 is still lesser than 94, correct. 109 c cap is lesser than 94, therefore it won't be killed, correct. But our upper will be changed. Why upper will be changed? Because 95 is lesser than 94, that is u cap of x is lesser than upper. Got it? So therefore we will, what we will do is 94 equals 95 equals to upper, that is upper will have a value now 95, that is minus 95, okay, because it is lesser than upper. And if suppose this tree expands like this, right, this tree expands like this, like it will go from 2 3 and it will expand at 2 and go to 3, correct. It will first form 1 2 3, then it will expand to 2, then it will check 3, it is getting killed. Then if suppose here 4 and 5, suppose 4's upper is, suppose 100 is in negative 95, suppose upper cap of 4 is 94, suppose, then we, what we will do is 95, suppose upper cap of 4 equals to 95, okay, minus 95. So what we will do is change the upper to 95, that is, if suppose a c cap here, this below this, okay, so a c cap below this, below 4, that is below 4, below 5, not 5, including 5, okay, because this is solved first and this is solved second. So this is solved first. If here the upper is changing, that is it is changing to 95, so it will affect here also, like this value, so c cap of 96.8 was suppose 94 something, c cap of 5 was 94 something, minus 94 something. So if this value, that is upper of 95, would have turned to upper, u cap of 4 equals to 95 would have turned to upper, then this node would have been killed here only. Why? Now that the upper is 95, negative 95, and the c cap is 94, we have assumed it as 94, so 94 is greater than 95, that is c cap of 5 is greater than upper, so we kill it here only. Basically we have understood our Fifo and we have completed answers, okay. Like these answers we will get after solving all of this, and we are going to write our answers like x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1, x3 equals to 1, and x4 equals to 0, x5 equals to 0. Like we get a solution, we will write in this form, and optimal solution cost equals to 94. That is done, okay. Now we go to LIFO. What is LIFO? Basically check this and check that. If you want value, if you want any value from here, you have to go and check the value here, okay. both the trees are same, both the answers to all to the trees are same, just the numbering inside, that is 19, and inside numbering changes. How does it change? Let's see. So first of all, 1 2 3, got it? 1 2 3 we maintain, that is lifo, last in first out. Last in first out meaning last in. 1 2 3, the last in is 3, so we go to 3. Does it expand? No, so we kill it. If it was expanding, here it is written 4 and 5. This, if 3 was expanding, this 4 and 5 would have been here, okay, but it's not expanding, so we, because it is getting killed, therefore it is getting killed. Here 4 and 5 are written, so 4 and 5 are written here. After writing 4 and 5, we expand on the last input, that is the last input is 5. So 5, we go to 5, then we go to 6 and 7, 6 and 7, then we go to 7. Is 7 expanding? No, it is getting killed. How are we getting all this value? We are just checking this 7 value, this position, how much is this position here? That is, it is 9, and here it is 7, because we are changing the numbers, it is 7 here and there it is 9, but the answers, that is minus 79 and minus 79, both are same on either side, okay. Therefore it is getting killed here, so we don't expand here and we go to the left. So we expand here, it is getting killed, we are not expanding here. It is not getting killed, we expand here. It is not getting killed, it is getting killed, it is not getting killed, but this solution is infeasible, so this is the wrong solution. We go back to 4, and then we get a next topic, that 12 13, then we go to the right, 14 15 16 17, then we go to this 18 19 20 21, okay, got it? We got the solutions. This is LIFO. And for LC, how does LC work is, basically we expand on the left, that is until we get a solution, we expand on the left. So basically 1 2 3, don't consider this, go to this 4 5, then 4 5 to 6 7, 6 7 to 8 9, 8 9 to 10 11. We have found a solution here, that is the answer, okay. If there was a no solution here, we would have backtracked to 7 and we would have found answers here. If there was no solution in this also, we would have backtracked and found answers here. If there was no solution here, we could have backtracked and found answers here. That is least count. That's how you get answers, okay. Solution we got infeasible, one solution is enough for LC, whereas LIFO we need to find like all the solutions, and Fifo also we need to find all the solutions. The values, that is upper, C cap, U cap and upper, are same on either of the graphs, okay, got it? If you have any confusion, ask me. Thank you.